Hey, good morning. Not just any morning. This is your moment, your fresh start. Before the world gets busy, before your phone fills with messages, take a deep breath, slow down, and give yourself this time. You are here, and that means something. It means you are ready to grow, ready to improve, ready to speak English with confidence.
And don't worry, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need big words or fast speaking. All you need is your voice, your breath, and your focus.
Let's begin. Slowly, naturally, like real American English. Repeat after me, gently. Good morning. I feel good today. Again, softer, more relaxed. Good morning. I feel good today.
Nice. That sounded natural. Now let's add a feeling. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel ready. One more time, connect it. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel ready.
Perfect. You're not just speaking, you're feeling the language. Now imagine you just woke up. The sunlight is coming in, everything is quiet. Say this: I woke up early and I feel fresh. Again, I woke up early and I feel fresh.
Great. Now let's build a natural flow. Good morning. I feel good today. I woke up early and I feel fresh.
Beautiful. Just like that. Smooth, easy, no pressure. Now let's talk about simple morning actions. Repeat after me. I get out of bed slowly and peacefully. Again, I get out of bed slowly and peacefully.
Nice. Now continue. I brush my teeth and wash my face. One more time. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Now let's add one more. I look at myself and I smile. Again, I look at myself and I smile.
That's powerful. Even a simple sentence can change your mood. Now combine everything. Good morning. I feel good today. I woke up early and I feel fresh. I get out of bed slowly and peacefully. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I look at myself and I smile.
Can you feel the rhythm? This is real English. Not fast, not stressful, just natural. Now let's continue your morning journey. Say, I drink water and I take a deep breath. Again, I drink water and I take a deep breath.
Very nice. Now add this. I feel grateful for this new day. One more time. I feel grateful for this new day.
Gratitude makes your English more meaningful, more real. Now let's connect again. I drink water and I take a deep breath. I feel grateful for this new day.
Excellent. You're building confidence step by step. Now let's move into your thoughts. Say this slowly. Today, I want to do something good. Again, today, I want to do something good.
Now make it stronger. Today, I will learn and I will grow. Again, today, I will learn and I will grow.
Perfect. Now express confidence. I believe in myself. I trust myself. One more time. I believe in myself. I trust myself.
You're doing amazing, really. Just keep going. Keep breathing. Keep speaking. Now let's build a longer natural flow.
Repeat after me. Good morning. I feel good today. I woke up early and I feel fresh. I get out of bed slowly and peacefully. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I look at myself and I smile. I drink water and I take a deep breath. I feel grateful for this new day. Today, I want to do something good. Today, I will learn and I will grow. I believe in myself. I trust myself.
That, right there, that is your English. Natural, calm, confident. Now let's continue your morning journey. Imagine you are getting ready. Say, I choose my clothes and I get ready for the day. Again, I choose my clothes and I get ready for the day.
Good. Now add movement. I walk slowly and I stay relaxed. Again, I walk slowly and I stay relaxed.
Now let's add intention. I don't rush. I move with peace. Again, I don't rush. I move with peace.
Beautiful. This is how you speak like a native. Simple, calm, meaningful. Now connect everything. Good morning. I feel good today. I woke up early and I feel fresh. I moved slowly and I stay relaxed. I don't rush. I move with peace.
Stay with me. Don't stop now. You are building something strong, something real. Now let's step outside. Say, I look around and I see a new day. Again, I look around and I see a new day.
Nice. Now feel it. The air feels fresh and the world feels calm. Again, the air feels fresh and the world feels calm.
You're not just learning English, you're living it. Now let's move into a stronger mindset. Say this, I am ready for whatever comes today. Again, I am ready for whatever comes today.
Now confidence. I am strong. I am focused. I am improving. One more time. I am strong. I am focused. I am improving.
And now, bring everything together. One last time. Slow, smooth, natural.
Good morning. I feel good today. I woke up early and I feel fresh. I move slowly and I stay relaxed. I don't rush. I move with peace. I look around and I see a new day. The air feels fresh and the world feels calm. I am ready for whatever comes today. I am strong. I am focused. I am improving.
And as your day begins, your voice becomes stronger, your mind becomes clearer. You carry this calm, this confidence with you.
Because this is not just practice, this is your new habit, your new lifestyle.
And now, as you move forward, you continue speaking, naturally, easily, without fear. You walk into your day, maybe to work, maybe to school, and you softly say to yourself, I am ready, I can speak, I can improve.
Yes, keep that energy. Now imagine you meet someone, a friend, a colleague. Say this. Hello, good morning, how are you? Again, hello, good morning, how are you?
Now respond naturally. I'm doing well, thank you. I feel good today. Again, I'm doing well, thank you. I feel good today.
Nice. Now continue the conversation. It's a beautiful day. I feel positive. Again, it's a beautiful day. I feel positive.
You see, this is real conversation. Simple, smooth, American style. Now let's go deeper. Say, I am learning English step by step. Again, I am learning English step by step.
Now confidence. I am not afraid to speak and improve. Again, I am not afraid to speak and improve.
That's it. That's your mindset now. Now build a full, natural flow.
Hello. Good morning. I feel good today. I am doing well, thank you. I feel good today. It's a beautiful day. I feel positive. I am learning English step by step. I am not afraid to speak and improve.
Take a deep breath. Feel your progress. Feel your confidence. You started your day not with fear, but with strength, with calm, with English.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent.
Come back tomorrow and do it again. A little better, a little stronger. Together, soft and confident, this is English by Mind Training. Hey, welcome back. Or maybe you're still here, still in this calm moment you created for yourself. That's beautiful, because every time you stay with your practice, you become a little stronger, a little clearer, a little more confident. Right now, just pause again, take a slow breath in, and gently breathe out. Feel your body relax, feel your mind settle, and remind yourself, you are doing something powerful. You are building your English, step by step, naturally, without stress.
And remember, you don't have to rush this journey. You don't have to compare yourself to anyone. Your pace is perfect. Your voice matters, and every word you speak is progress. Just stay focused, stay relaxed, and keep going.
Now, let's continue, slowly, smoothly, like natural American English, easy, connected, and real. Repeat after me, softly. Right now, I feel calm and I feel focused. Pause. Again, let it flow. Right now, I feel calm and I feel focused.
Nice. That sounds good. Now add more clarity, more presence. I am here and I am learning. Pause. Again. I am here and I am learning.
Perfect. Now imagine you are moving through your day, maybe walking, maybe sitting, maybe just observing everything around you. Say this, I move forward slowly and with confidence. Pause. Again, I move forward slowly and with confidence.
Very nice. Now let's build a smooth connection. Right now, I feel calm and I feel focused. I am here and I am learning. I move forward slowly and with confidence.
Beautiful. Your voice is becoming more natural, more comfortable. Now, let's talk about simple daily actions again, but in a deeper way. Repeat after me. I take my time and I stay present. Pause. Again, I take my time and I stay present.
Good. Now continue. I notice small things and I appreciate them. Pause. Again, I notice small things and I appreciate them.
That's powerful. You are not just speaking English, you are becoming mindful. Now add one more thought. I feel peaceful and I feel balanced. Pause. Again, I feel peaceful and I feel balanced.
Now connect everything into one natural flow. Right now, I feel calm and I feel focused. I am here and I am learning. I move forward slowly and with confidence. I take my time and I stay present. I notice small things and I appreciate them. I feel peaceful and I feel balanced.
Take a moment. Feel that. This is your English. Smooth, relaxed, real. Now let's move into interaction, real life speaking. Imagine someone talks to you. You respond naturally. Say this, hi, how's your day going? Pause. Again, hi, how's your day going?
Now respond with ease. My day is going well. I feel good and relaxed. Pause. Again, my day is going well. I feel good and relaxed.
Now continue the conversation. I'm trying to stay positive and enjoy my day. Pause. Again, I'm trying to stay positive and enjoy my day.
Nice. This is how real conversations happen. Simple, clear, natural. Now let's go deeper into your mindset. Say this slowly. I am improving little by little. Pause. Again, I am improving little by little.
Now add strength. I am becoming more confident every day. Pause. Again, I am becoming more confident every day.
Perfect. Now express belief. I trust my journey and I stay patient. pause. Again, I trust my journey and I stay patient.
You're doing really well. Just stay in this flow. Now let's build a longer connected speech.
Repeat after me. Right now, I feel calm and I feel focused. I am here and I am learning. I move forward slowly and with confidence. I take my time and I stay present. I notice small things and I appreciate them. I feel peaceful and I feel balanced.
Take a deep breath. You've come far. Maybe you don't even realize it yet, but your voice is changing. Your thinking is changing. Your confidence is growing. And this is just the beginning.
Keep practicing like this every day, even for a few minutes, because consistency builds fluency, and fluency builds confidence.
And wherever you go today, carry this calm, carry this clarity, and keep speaking, even if it's just to yourself, because every word matters. Together, soft, confident, this is English by Mind Training.